Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch QLED screen spatial phone Toyota Camry. Latest years. Okay, let me unbox review. This is a head unit. Let me show harness first. Okay, this is a canvas decoder and power cable. This is radio antenna and camera input. There are two camera input. Okay, this one. AUX cable and the camera is canvas decoder box connector. Camry power cable. Radio antenna. Okay. And this video out. And this camera input. (4G) antenna. GPS antenna. And there are two USB, original USB. You can check the different connector. This one and this one. And there are two USB cable. External microphone. Okay, this is audio from subwoofer and audio out left and right, front and rear, and AUX input left and right, video input. Okay. Okay, you can check this battery unit. There SIM card, 4G SIM card slot, and connect. And you can check this kit for Camry. Okay, this power fields and connections for cables. This is GPS, this is 4G radio. Okay, let me connect power. The head unit will be started. Okay, very a big screen. This okay. Please take out this script protector before using. Okay. Volume button. Home button. Very fast response. It's built in the DSP, Bluetooth, Auto-Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And built-in Google Maps. Do not watch video while driving. You need to set it in the settings. Let me try. So about device, you can check the Android version. Android 12 DDR 8 GB, 128 GB storage. Password. Please set this break with 0 and you can check the other settings in here. This boot logo, this camera settings, radar system, and break with 0, save. The head unit will be rebooted. Button lights will on. Okay, let me check the instructions. Okay, it will be display, and this instruction already built in Play Store, Google Maps. Settings, Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi. And this SIM card is built in the SIM card slot connect Wi-Fi. And back to home. You can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. And about device is Android 12 version, and the system you can add the language, change the language, and the memory it's a total 8 GB, storage is total 128 GB. Okay, but device is already show Android 12 and display there total 8 SIM style. Okay, check the SIM style. It's auto-link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you can download the applications from Play Store. You can visit our website belsee.com to contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.